Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling what you need now. Turn on your PC camera or make sure your screenshot/clipboard app has permission. This avoids delays. Open a QR reader app or a browser-based scanner, choose a trusted tool, and position the QR image file or display on another screen. Once done, select the scanner's input, camera, file upload, or paste URL. This first action gets you reading codes quickly and prevents confusion later when the scanner asks for a source. Now you perform the scan. Point the camera so the QR sits centered and fills most of the frame. Good lighting makes decoding reliable. If you uploaded a file, crop to the QR region or use the scanner's file input. Once the scanner recognizes the pattern, it will show the decoded text or URL. Make sure to read it before following links. If it fails, try switching inputs, camera versus file, or increase contrast and retry to improve recognition speed. Finish by applying the decoded content. You should verify the URL or text, then click it, copy to clipboard, or import a vCard into contacts. Do what the task requires. Once done, save a screenshot or export the data for records. If the scanner misreads or won't open links, clear browser cache, try another reputable scanner app, or improve lighting and focus. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes recognition errors and prevents wasted retries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.